Hello friend, how are you? Hope you are well. In this video I am going to show how to solve vivo phone camera broken problem. I open my camera. You can see it is my front side camera. Now if I want to go to my back side camera, here you can see I clicking going to back side camera, but here seeing a message another camera broken, cannot switch. If you facing similar problem, you can follow my video. In this video I am going to show how to solve this problem. And we solve this problem applied 3 methods, but in this video I am showing 2 methods to solve this problem. First method, go to your setting, go to mode setting, go to app manager. Now find out camera. Here you can see it is my default camera. Now enter into the camera. Click on permission. Here you can see every permission are allowed. Just unallowed all the permission and again allowed all permission. After that go to back, click on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. After that close it. Now open your camera and check it. I hope this method working most of the phone. If it does not work, you can follow my another tricks. Open your data, go to Play Store and here search HD camera. Here you can see HD camera for Android. Just install it. I already installed it. After installing, open this camera. Here you can see my backside camera opened. It is my front side camera and it is my backside camera. And here you can see problem is solved. My another tricks to solve this problem. It's need for some repairing tools. I'm showing it my another tutorial. Thank you for watching.